are going to love the 2020 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, power windows, fog lights, security system, electronic stability control, trip computer, panic alarm, overhead console, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tachometer, power driver's seat, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, speed control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.